How to fix VPN connection problem with Super VPN. So if you're facing a problem with the VPN connection with the Super VPN application, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your settings application. Once you open your settings, scroll down, tap on the apps or go for the applications and go for see all apps. Once you open all of your apps, you need to go for the search, which is on the upper right. Tap on the search and then search for Super VPN and then tap on that application on your settings. Go for the storage and cache, and here you need to simply go for clear cache, which is on the right side, and then clear storage, which is on the left side. So once you tap on both of that, now your problem will be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, you need to simply open up your Play Store and go for the search and search for Super VPN. Once you've searched, here you will have your application. So if you have an update option under your application, you need to simply tap on update and update your application, because if your app is not up to date, then you might find some kind of problems. Once you've updated, you need to simply go back and then you need to restart your device. Once you've restarted, then your problem will be fixed. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.